Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video again we are going to discuss a different topic, a new topic, again on the real estate part only. As last even couple of videos we are discussing on the real estate part only, so this is also related to that. But most of the people, even they when they apply and when they go for even a home loan, and they will be not even able to understand about this particular even topic, and that's what I thought, okay, let me give you all the inputs about this topic. So this is all about your co-applicant. Co-applicant, so the name itself you can understand it is different from the main applicant, and that's what it is known as co-applicant. So what do you mean by co-applicant? Means, first I'll give the definition of co-applicant, and then I'll tell you what are the criteria even for the home loan. So first of all, co-applicant means along with the main applicant, somebody is added that is known as my co-applicant. Criteria, it can be anyone with your blood relation. The one condition you have to keep in mind, that is unmarried sister or unmarried daughter may not be entertained by most of the even financial institute. You might ask me why, because there is some even legal criticalities are there. It might arise in the future. That's what most of the banks, most of the financial institute, they will not be entertained with, though they are in your blood relation, but unmarried sister and unmarried daughter, they normally they don't even entertain. Right. So what type of co-applicant can be possible? That also comes to your mind. So I'll tell you there are two types of co-applicant. So first we understand what exactly co-applicant, what is the definition of co-applicant. Then we have understood who can be and who cannot be, right? That also I have discussed. Now what types of co-applicant? There are two types of co-applicant. One is your legal co-applicant, one is your financial co-applicant. Let me tell you, when I'm talking about legal co-applicant, that means the person will be legally even will be getting all the credential for your property. That is very simple, right? There is no even complexity on this same point. But what about this financial co-applicant? So let's say if let's say your brother or let's say your father, right? And let's say I'm going to be a financial co-applicant along with your home loan part or on your property. So in future, that means if you as a main applicant, if you are not able to pay this entire even repayment amount, or you are let's say you are failed to pay this repayment amount, so I am authorized or I am liable to pay this amount to the bank. If not, then definitely bank will take a legal step on same. Again you, again me, right? So that is the very difficult part. So whenever somebody is going to be a co-applicant, and somebody is going to take a call whether I should be a legal co-applicant or I should be a financial co-applicant. So these two things you have to understand. Legal, you are exactly even out of the legal battle. But yes, financial co-applicant, if you want to become a financial co-applicant, that means you are liable to pay the financial repayment, whatever the tenure, whatever the obligation, that you have to even take it forward with this loan itself. That you have to keep in mind. Right. Again, on simple note, I'll tell you, in any home loan, if somebody is going to, now there could be another question comes to my mind. Why co-applicant? Though you have understood the definition, though you have understood the meaning, but why co-applicant? Let me tell you, in home loan, the co-applicant is mandatory. As I told you, somebody can be a legal, somebody can be even let's say, financial, whatever it is. Now, even out of this, even on the curiosity, I'm just telling you, somebody can ask, I'm the only one even last person for my family. There is nobody there in my blood relation. In that case, what I need to do? So let me tell you, in this case, there is something called mandatory insurance. So that we'll discuss even sometimes later when we'll go into some other discussion. But let me just clear you on this point. Any home loan, if you're going to apply, you have to take a co-applicant. It is mandatory. As I told you on the simple example, if I'm the last person of my family, if nobody is alive, nobody is there, even a financial, even a legal co-applicant, then in that case what will happen? In that case, mandatory on the property value, I have to take a insurance. So that I'm not going to discuss in details over here, that we are going to discuss even some other video itself, right? So this is all about my co-applicant importance. This is all about my definition of co-applicant, how I'm going to take, how I'm going to get, how I'm going to take the benefit, how bank is going to take liabilities on the same. So all these things even I have to keep in mind, and before I sign, before I even go for this, I have to understand, I have to keep ready even with my co-applicant itself. Now there is another benefit I'll tell you on the co-applicant apart from whatever we have discussed. So if let's say you want to get your higher eligibility, I'll repeat once again, you want to get your higher eligibility, means what? The funding, higher funding from the bank. In that case, your co-applicant will be a very even important person for all of you. Let's say today, let's say whatever my income, example if I'm giving you, and let's say whatever exactly I'm looking, it is not matching with my own even income. So in that case, what will happen? I can even add this co-applicant even up to even 4 members in my family. So criteria already I've discussed, I no need to repeat once again. And what type of co-applicant, that also I've discussed, I no need to repeat once again. So up to 4 people even I can add. So let's say my father, let's say my mother, I'm just giving an example. Let's say my brother, and let's say my uncle. Whatever their income, if they are also having income, maybe they are a businessman, maybe they are even serviceman, whatever income they have, put together my income, together all these 5 people, total income will be my eligibility. So eligibility also we are not going to discuss over here, that maybe some other video we are going to discuss. But yes, co-applicant has a vital even role on your home loan. That's what I'm trying to say. Criteria we understood, the credential we understood, the pros and cons we understood, and then again finally I'm just going to tell you, we can get a outermost benefit out of this co-applicant, where I can additionally I can get my eligibility of my bank funding if I'm not even able to get that much fund even what exactly I'm looking. So co-applicant can be a major support for me, right? So I hope this is again a very important discussion and very important topic also. I hope people are already even applied, or let's say people are looking for a home loan. So I think all these things will help them if they are keeping all these things in mind, so they can even process even very easily, and keeping all these things also, they can be also free of mind, they can even apply for a home loan, right? So again, if it is helping, if it is going to be beneficial for you, so I'm the happiest person, and always I'm welcome for all your queries. And anytime you can also come to chat box, or you can write me directly to my mail ID. Thanks for watching.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen.